Now let's start by solving few easy problems on quadrilateral. So first I get ABCD is given to be a square and BCE is an equilateral triangle. And the question is, what is the measure of triangle DEC? So let's see, if BC is an equilateral triangle, everything will be equal, right? Because one of the side of an equilateral triangle is nothing but the side of a square. So everything that I had marked here will all the sides be equal. So what do I know now? One angle is 90 and CED or DEC is something that is being asked to me. Simple. The angle is 90. The next angle is what? 60, right? Okay, because I know what is happening here. This is an equilateral triangle that is being there. So because of square I get a 90 and because of equilateral triangle I get an angle which is 60. So 90 plus 60 is nothing but 150. If this angle becomes 180, sum of the measure of a triangle what? DCE is what? 180. But it's an isosceles triangle. Check, the two sides are equal. The two sides that are marked are equal, which means angle E will be equal to angle D. Angle D plus angle E is 30. Okay, I know that D is equal to E and their sum is 30. So how will they split up? If they are equal, how will they split up? It's quite simple. They will split up as what now? 15 and 15, because I know D is equal to E. If D is equal to E and the sum of D and E is 30, they'll split up as 15 and 15. That's it. So my answer to this question is 15 degree is angle DEC. Okay, so just I applied the concepts of square and equilateral triangle. Let's see one more problem. So now I am being given a rhombus and what is being given? OA plus OB. Okay, OA plus OB is equal to 30. That is given to me. Find the maximum area of the rhombus. Okay, so what is the maximum area? So what do you know about rhombus? The area is half into D1 into D2. So half into product of diagonals is the area of the rhombus, and I need to maximize this. Okay, I need to maximize this as possible. So I need to get the answer where the value of D1 and D2 I'll substitute, that will be maximum. What do I know? Diagonal bisect at 90. So I'll draw 90 here and the diagonals will be bisect at 90. This is what we have learned at rhombus, right? If you can remember, the same thing we are applying it here right now. So diagonal bisect at 90, I know that. Now what else is given to me? OA plus OB is equals to 30. Okay, let's multiply this by 2. 2OA plus 2OB is equals to 60. So 2 into OA plus 2 into OB will be equal to 60. But what is 2OA? What is double of OA? Double of OA will nothing but AC, the complete diagonal, right? And double of OB, because OB is equal to DO, okay, will be equal to BD. Right? So AC plus BD is equal to 60. I know that AC which is one diagonal and BD which is another diagonal. So sum of two diagonals is 60. Sum of two diagonals is 60. I need to make their product maximum. Sum is 60. I need to make the product maximum. Now let's see a simple property to understand this. Say sum of two numbers is 10. So how can you split these two numbers? You will write this number as what? When is the product of the two numbers maximum? How will you split them? If I write 1 and 9, 9 into 1 is 9. If I write them 2 and 8, 8 into 2 is 16. Okay, I am splitting them up so that the product could be maximum. If I write 3 and 7, 3 into 7 is 21. So as much I am separating the number, product is becoming maximum. 5 and 5 into 5 is 25. Yes. So product of two numbers becomes maximum when the two numbers are equal. When the two numbers are equal, okay, that is when the product of two numbers become maximum. So how will I split up AC plus BD is equals to 60? How will I split them as 30 and 30? It's only when I split them as 30 and 30 and when I take their product right now, which is 30 into 30, right? And that will come out to be what? Maximum area of the rhombus. Okay, so let's just write this. That will be nothing but now half into 30 into 30. The product will be maximum. Now that's it. What is 30 into 30? 900 divided by 2 is nothing but 450. Okay, and that is the maximum area of the rhombus.